Kaya nga, every time na papasok ka sa gambling, make sure you master yourself. Otherwise, you observe your angel, you observe your demon, because this two sides of you is inside of your consciousness. At ang hirap nito kapag sila yung nagmaster sa'yo, instead na i-observe mo sila at i-control mo sila to your advantage, sila yung nagdadrive ng vehicle mo. Kaya ikaw, kapag gambler ka, ingat na ingat ka kasi malululong ka talaga. And I've seen this na may mga gaganon talaga dito sa condo ko. Ito sa building na tinitirahan ko, na-recover na lang yung katawan nila. Because of what? Because of gambling. Because they don't know how to bounce back. Because hey guys, this is Tanchong or Buddha of Navigate Life with Tanchong. Follow me, and if you are actually wanted of personal reading, you can just actually message me sa Instagram, Navigate Life with Tanchong. So today, I'm gonna share you an information that's supposed to be hidden. So ito yung sorry sa mga LNK practitioner or sa mga esoteric na minamaster ito. This information that I'm gonna share you, don't get me wrong, my intention is not oversharing or not being like bida-bida, but this is something that it's not supposed to be gatekeep, lalo na sa mga esoteric practitioner, no? Sa mga lihim na karunungan or LNK practitioner or mga Gnosticism or sa spirituality. Because, well, anyway, today is June 29, 2026. Monday, full moon kasi later. So, it seems that while I'm sitting, while I'm drinking my coffee, taking my, sit-down me time, it just so happened na in my previous contents kasi, I normally share or soulful post coming from my soul talaga. It's more of wisdom, experiential wisdom. When we talk about wisdom, you went that darkness, you were able to get away with that, and you bring that wisdom. And that's the time that you are able to share it to your friends or to whoever need it the most. So yun yung wisdom. As opposed to this video, I'm gonna share you a knowledge. So it's different from wisdom, different from wisdom. That knowledge can only be obtained by reading, can only be obtained by books, research, and history, ancient knowledge that you actually read based on history. And it can also be happen based on trajectory. So, kasi nga tarot reader ako, so I base on history, present, and trajectory. That's how I actually read tarot, and I see the energy on the current status ng isang querent. That's how I actually process para accurate ang reading. So, it just so happen na in this video, I'm gonna share a little bit of knowledge that I have read na parang feeling ko this is not something supposed to be shared, but nararamdaman ko na kailangan ko siyang i-share because majority ng mga nakakausap ko through tarot reading ng mga querent or kahit sa mga friend ko na personally na nakikilala ko talaga, sobrang involved sila sa gambling. Especially pag pupasok ko sa trabaho, I actually book angkas, rider, mga motorcycle taxi driver, and when I actually had time to talk to them, they're actually being drawn into gambling. Iisa lang yung mukha nito nila. It's like similar if you're drawn into alcoholism, workaholism, shopaholism, yung mga shopaholic na yan, or di kaya drug addiction. Isa lang yung mukha niyan. When we talk about science, it's more of dopamine. When you talk about mind, it's about dopamine deplete. Na sobrang saya, lalo na kapag sobrang saya, magsusugal ka, mag-inom ka, mag-anon ka, and then you don't really realize that madodrone ka, matatrap ka. And that's also the same thing when we talk about spirituality or kasi nga body, mind, and soul. When we talk about soul or spirituality, matatrap ka dyan. It's also the same context na para kang napunta sa impyerno na hindi ka na makawala. Kasi it's really a hell. You created a hell inside your mind or your consciousness. And that's the time na parang nakapapagod na ako nakikita sila because I've been there. I've been into alcoholism, I've been into materialism, na parang workaholic ka, pagod na pagod ka na hindi mo na alam alagaan yung body or your vessel and even your mental. 'Di ba? So, and your soul is also calling na parang kailangan mo na magpahinga, di ba? So, kasi nga, na-drawn ka into materialism, alcoholism, ganyan. That's the context of hell that you have created in your own consciousness, okay? Just a little background, sobrang lalim nito. But again, specifically sa gambling, sa kaibigan ko, iisa lang yung mukha nila. Alam mo yung pag pumapasok ka sa Lunes, sobrang pagod na pagod ka, wasted na wasted ka because you've been gambling for how many hours instead of your body resting during your weekend so you can execute the job pagdating sa Monday. So you can earn money and then you can live your life the most. So it's just so happy na isa lang yung mukha nila pag pumapasok sila, pag yung halimbawa yung naglasing ka tapos hindi ka natulog, pag pumasok umaga wasted ka, or di kaya pag wasted ka sa droga, ganyan, kasi nga sobrang lungkot ka, pagpasok mo wasted ka, your aura, I can actually read it. And it's so draining for me. Kaya minsan nagtataka yung boss ko, bakit hindi ka pumapasok sa office or hindi ka nag-go on-site? Because I can see people, yung aura nila, and na-absorb ko siya. Especially, I'm having hard time protecting myself. Yung protection field ko, yan yung inaaral ko ngayon. Kaya nga may mga mentor ako, guro, to protect yourself. Lalo na kapag na-unlock ko yung kakayanan ko to read people, to read aura, energy, even talk with them, I can feel na absorb ko. So yun yung boundary na pilit kong inaaral for the meantime. Well, going back doon sa pagbabasa ng aura, sa mga gambler dyan, especially when I talk or meet a lot of random angkas rider when I ride papunta sa trabaho or pauwi, ganyan. So, nakakausap ko sila heart to heart, and just randomly, they shared random things na personal sa kanila, sa akin, and I don't have idea why, but I think it was all my purpose din, na parang nakakita ko yung purpose ko na when I talk, they listen. So, it's fulfilling in my side. It's just so happy na when they shared, they have the same faces. Yung aura nila, yung bigat nila. Bakit? Kasi nga lulong sila sa online gambling. When they are in stressful mindset, ang pahinga nila pupunta sa ilalim ng manggahan or sa puno na malilim at nagagambling sila habang hindi sila tumatanggap ng booking. And when they actually win, dopamine, when we talk about science, psychology, or mind, dopamine, mag-i-increase siya, happy. And then malulup siya, tataya ka ulit. Pag tumataya ka, you don't have any idea na natalo ka pa, tataya ka ulit kasi your dopamine is on the high level pa eh. So, hindi yung decision making mo nagiging hindi rigid and naging hindi realistic na kasi your dopamine is still in the high level kahit talo ka na ng talo at gusto mong bumawi because your mind is controlling you. And normally, when we talk about spirituality in the ancient grimoire or ancient knowledge, that's when the demon took place. Or we talk about shadow. When we talk about spirituality, they call it shadow. When we talk about ancient grimoire, we talk it demon. Or when we talk about LNK, that's the demon entity, the bad energy or something similar that already took place na imbis ikaw yung magdadala ng sarili mo. That's the possession. We call it sa mga LNK na possession. So, kaya nga, every time na papasok ka sa gambling, make sure you master yourself. Otherwise, you observe your angel, you observe your demon, because this two sides of you is inside of your consciousness. At ang hirap nito kapag sila yung nagmaster sa'yo, instead na i-observe mo sila at i-control mo sila to your advantage, sila yung nagdadrive ng vehicle mo. Kaya ikaw, kapag gambler ka, ingat ka kasi malululong ka talaga. And I've seen this na may mga gaganon talaga dito sa condo ko. Ito sa building na tinitirhan ko, na-recover na lang yung katawan nila. Because of what? Because of gambling. Because they don't know how to bounce back. Because when you actually trap, it's reminding me of the devil card ng tarot. Now, when you're actually trapped into it, seems na hindi ka na makakaalis, but it's actually something na makakaalis, hindi mo lang alam kung paano kasi You don't know how to heal people if they find pleasure doon sa reason ng pagkakasakit talaga nila. So, as a healer, tarot reader, tarot healer, na pag hindi talaga sila nagsisik sa akin ng help, I don't wanna help them. I don't wanna initiate any unsolicited advice. That's the learning that I have learned the hardest way. Ito siya, devil card. When we talk about devil card, ito yun siya, para siya nakatali ka, nakatrap ka na dyan sa workaholism because of materialism, alcoholism just to numb the pain, diba? What else? Shopaholic. Bakit shopaholic ka? When we talk about shopaholic, these are wounds from your past that hindi ka naka ano ng TV, hindi ka nabilhin ng chinelas ng nanay mo or something. These are wounds that you're actually trying to heal in a different way. And it becoming a trap. It becoming a trap. Then when we talk about trap, tingnan mo, yan siya. Nakaano siya, nakatali siya dito or something similar, ganyan. Pero if we think about it, maluwag siya. Do you have the power to remove it? It just so happen na, bakit ko to i-remove? Mas comfortable ako dito habang nakatali ako. This is because I find healing, or they call it healing, mistakenly healing, or comfortable, pleasurable kapag nakakulong ka doon. But it consume you later on. And that's what we call possession sa mga old ancient grimoire, sa Catholicism or sa Christianity na magpupossess ka or something. But it's actually a demon of your consciousness that you are not able to control instead of you controlling them to your advantage, diba? Or the angel will rescue you because the light and the dark will goes hand in hand, ha? Ikaw lang din talaga yan. Hindi pwedeng, it's not an external help, though kailangan mo rin ng external help, but not every time may mga taong nakakatulong sa'yo. You might also go to a professional help like psychology, psychiatrist, or mga friends, support system. That's fine, but it's not 24 hours na nandyan sila. It's really you who actually responsible to your life. So, ikaw yung talaga yung makakaalis dito. Yung mga taong like me, healer, or mga tarot reader, or mga support system, psychologist, psychiatrist, kaibigan, parents, or ganon, we are just here surrounding you as a non-participative character sa buhay mo para i-resurface yung sugat at sabihin mo, oy, tanggalin mo yan. But it's really you makatanggal dyan sa trap na yan. Diba? We are just going to resurface the pain or to make you realize na, girl, umalis ka na dyan. And then, going back nga dito sa, isi-share ko about sa taking control of sa mga gambling. When I actually went sa pinakamalapit dito na withdrawhan na Security Bank, just to let you know na if you actually go, you notice sa mga casino or sa mga anything na gambling ka na merot bambam na yan, na mga establishment na yan, once you go inside the door, you are already going inside to a context of hell. Okay? Hindi ko to sinasabi para takutin ka or takot ako, but it's the reality. Unang-una, tingnan mo yung gate nila. Yung pintuan. If you notice the majesty dito or sa casino or anything na mga gambling na mga casino na pupuntahan mo. Yung pintuan nila, there's 2 dragons there. There are 2 dragons. Sige, tingnan nyo yan sa mga gate or anything, sa mga Resorts World o sa mga casino na pupuntahan mo, may 2 dragon dyan sa pintuan na yan. And it's not being put there for no reason, okay? Sorry ko. Sa mga isasabihin ko to kasi this is supposed to be esoteric, but girl, kailangan nyo itong malaman. Kasi if you actually go inside to that place and you don't know who you are, you don't master your power of control and learn your mind about dopamine or similar like that, girl, you'll end up, ganun ka. Otherwise, malos lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo. And I'm so tiring reading and meeting a lot of query and clients na ganun lang yung problema nila. Sa totoo lang, nakakahirap na supposed to be, pwede ko sa pagkakitaan sa tarot reading kasi ang dami mga lulong sa mga, ang dami talagang lulong sa mga kineso na yan. So, gambling has a different, it can be a different form, online, sugal and everything. Iba-iba ang modality, physical or non-physical, basta as long as sumusugal ka, there's already the Asmodeus in an ancient grimoire. We call it Asmodeus. This is not supposed to be mentioned kasi, well, anyway, that's the demon of your consciousness na mag-take over sa'yo or you go with if you're into gambling. Okay. Going back sa mga nakikita kong mga dragon, sa mga dragon na yan, ipakita ko yung picture, yung dragon yan, sample na yan. I just actually had noticed this because when I actually withdraw money beside dyan, kasi minsan sila, ano yun eh, it goes nila sa materialism, yung Asmodeus yan. Nag-withdraw ka dito sa gilid, nandun yung dragon din sa gilid, papasok ka sa portal doon sa sugalan sa loob. Very connected siya. And if you're not aware, if you are living into exoteric instead of esoteric, matatrap ka talaga, no? And it's actually something na pumasok ka doon, dala mo na yung pera mo, notice doon sa dragon, doon sa ilalim or in front of them, may mga food na nilalagay. I'll put the picture na nakuha ko to. Merong fudgy bar dito sa ilalim ng dragon. Doon sa kabila din meron din eh. Kasi dalawahan yan sila. Bibigyan mo sila ng kung sino mang naglagay sa kanilang food, good luck sa iyo dahil ibig sabihin maswerte ka. Kasi you already acknowledge them. When you give them food, it's not because na parang you worship them. No, we're not worshiping any entities here. We're acknowledging and putting respect that they exist at that area na nasa gate talaga sila. Girl, dalawa sila, magkabilaan yan, left and right, kasi nga as west to west, as above to below. So west and east yan siya. Maglagay ka, titignan mo lang to sa mga casino dealer dyan. Good luck sa inyo, sinabi ko to. Magdala kayo kahit ubas or candy, kabilaan, lagay nyo lang dyan, and then you go inside and then gamble. Okay? But when you gamble, I'm not telling you to gamble because of entertainment. Okay? But when it consume you, try to step outside regardless of the pressure. Kasi may mga peer pressure, bakit kaalis? Nanalo ka lang, ganyan. But if you go outside, that's self-mastery. So you were not able to be controlled by the demon or by the darkness, the shadow, whatever you call it, or your ego, whatever you call it, the dark side of you, you were able to control it instead of them controlling you. Okay? That's self-mastery. That's supposed to be hindi ikaw yung napopossess. Ikaw yung gagamit sa kanila to your own advantage. Is that so happen may mga tao talagang pupunta sa casino because of yung wala na sila, yung kapit sa patalim, talaga isusugal na lang natin tong huling pagkain para sa pamilya natin. Yung mga ganun ba, na parang akala nila, instead of being an entertainment, it's becoming like a fate. Ilagay na lang natin sa fate, F-A-T-E. Ilagay na lang natin sa fate ang huling pera natin para mamakakain at mauwi natin sa gatas kahit walang-wala ka na. And this is the same context. Ang daming nalulungsog. Tulala, ma'am. Yung mga papasok sa trabaho, tulala, bigat na bigat. Yung aura ninyo, girl, hindi kayo magkapagsinungaling sa akin yung mga lulong sa sugal. Ay, nako, unang-una, hindi yan makakaligo. Hindi yan parang, girl, yung libag mo, ayusin mo. Kasi, girl, the Asmodeus, the demonology is manifesting in your body. Unang-una, hindi kayo naliligo. Okay? It goes hand in hand with psychology. Hindi ka naliligo kasi, talunan ka eh. So, isa lang yun, mabaho yung helmet nyo. Mabaho. Okay? Ito yung mga taong hindi na kayang maglinis at alagaan yung source of income nila dahil sila ningibanan ng demonyo ng gambling na si Asmodeus at hindi nakakawala. Ang baho nyo, girl. Sa totoo lang, dinadamay nyo pa yung mga nakakainis tuloy ako. Ang baho! Putang ina. So, I'm not judging, but I am telling you directly to your face that get away from it. Especially sa friend ko na nalulong na kinakamusta ko ng kinakamusta, okay lang daw naman siya. Go, hinayaan ko na siya. I don't wanna save him if he finds comfort on that scenario. If you're ended up, killing yourself later on, wala na ako dyan. I'm just watching you na magpapunta akong saan-saan, but I'm not here to save you. No one is saving you. You are going to suppose saving yourself. Okay, maligo. Aralin ng dopamine, aralin ng dopamine depletion, psychology of that gambling, because if we talk about it goes hand in hand, body, mind, and soul. When we talk about soul, that's Asmodeus possessing you. When we talk about mind, that's dopamine depleting because of you keep gambling over and over. Kahit yung materialism, which is your body, wala ka ng pera, wala ka ng makain, and you'll ended up tulala, gutom, hindi ka na makaligo, and your vessel, napapabayaan mo na. It goes hand in hand. Yun. Magkakasakit ka your soul, magkakasakit ka your body, tulala ka sa pagtrabaho, hindi ka makapagtrabaho na maayos, galit ka sa mundo. Yung mga ganyan taong lulong sa sugal, may mga management level pang ganyan. Girl, may mga ganun pa na parang alam mo yung akala mo talaga sila na yung may-ari ng kumpanya, galit na galit, galit na galit. When we actually observe them, they have the same faces. They've been through a lot of darkness, a lot of sensitive feeling na hindi na nila nakaya yung sarili nila na pro-project nila sa iba. At kahit hindi nyo i-project yung galit nyo sa iba or sa outside stimulus ng mga taong nakapalibot sa iyo or sa mga company or sa mga empleyado nyo or sa mga katrabaho nyo, makikita ko yan, ma'am. I see the same energy na mga nalulung sa gambling. And please, my intention of this video, get away from it. It's so difficult. I understand that it's really difficult because if you find the cause of your pain as pleasurable, hindi ka talaga alis dyan because that's the nervous system telling you na ang nervous system pa naman into familiarity. So kung familiar ka doon na if you get stressed, susugal ka, if you're feeling scarcity or kakulangan ng pera, isusugal mo. That's your nervous system being conditioned into the familiarity na yun lang yun, paulit-ulit hanggat hindi mo na na-realize na yung katawan mo na pabayaan mo na hindi ka nakapagpahinga, hindi ka na naligo ang baho na ng helmet mo. Okay? Iwasan ang yung helmet nyo, ma'am, yung negativity nyo, napapasa nyo sa ibang pasahero. And then you will actually blame the customer na i-1 star kayo dahil mabaho yung helmet nyo. Maligo ka. Okay? Get away from that gambling. I'm telling you. Ay, nako, dapat I will supposed to talk about the dragon na nakikita ko dito but it becoming more of advice na tuloy. Sobrang passionate ako dito kasi nambigat. Ang bigat ng mga nalulong sa gambling. Okay? Instead of it's just supposed to be an entertainment, ha? Hindi siya yung fate because we all have power. Diyos ko, bahala kayo dyan. Mag-gambling kayo dyan. Basta, kung malulong na kayo at confused na kayo, i-book nyo na lang ako. Piperahan ko pa kayo dyan sa kalokohan yung buisit kayo. Bye-bye!